I love my wood.
Me? What did he say?
How you break down your pallets and get them sanded. There's many different ways and I'm not going to get into it, so let's get on with this project.
Many hours later.
This is a very important and crucial step in the beginning of this project, is to make sure that all your marks align with each other. As to the dowel placement, making sure that all these boards are aligned, that's going to make your life a lot easier. Make sure to go check out my video on the jig is up, where I'll be showcasing how to make this exact dowel placement jig. And remember, if you're not subscribed, hit that button, give us a thumbs up, and make sure to stay tuned for the next videos. Now I bet you are looking at these dowels and thinking, did you go and paint them? Why would you paint them if they're gonna go inside the wood? No, I did not paint them, and no, I didn't have any dowels to use. So what I went and done is I took a normal coat hanger that's 8mm and snipped it up to use as dowel placements. I've got this cool new feature, just let me get it and you'll see the reveal immediately. Now that all our boards have turned into sheets, now it's time for a pro tip. When doing numerous cuts of the same length, you can either run a stop block or do it this way. If you're gonna go and measure each time, look, you're human, I'm human, error is always gonna be there. So this is a pro tip. Tie them together, make one line and do one cut through all your sheets to make sure that they're all exact the same length.
Slinky, go, Slinky, go!
While I'm hacking away here, make sure that you get subscribed and give this a thumbs up. Now that all our sheets are cut to length, and you'll see here I did sand them off, now it's time to measure them out where the specific cabinet placings will fall. This part is very important to take your time and make sure that you use the correct measurements, otherwise this thing will look all honky doodle. Now this step you don't need to do, but I always like to measure out the thickness of the wood and make my marks. That just gives me a more consistent placing for my screws. And again, a decent drill bit set is always a winner. This Bosch drill bit set has been doing me very well for a long time. Now I'm already hearing you guys, Photoshop, this is not Photoshop, I got a new camera. So here you will see me just making a bigger hole for the heads of the screws so that I can countersink them in. Tying this in, remember tight here is always good.
That's what she said.
Somewhere I lost the footage of putting up the second cabinet of this build, so you'll see me doing the other side, tying this up and making sure that everything aligns perfectly. Make sure when you're screwing in that you make sure that your screws run straight and don't pop out the other side, otherwise the hassles will give you nightmares. And remember guys, get subscribed, this really will help me with the next upcoming projects that are on the way. I made the top part on purposely oversized because I wanted to give this an overhang and also chamfering all the sides just to protect the wood when knocking into it, and also not to get hurt when you're knocking it, because wood, if it's sanded or not sanded, it still stays damn hard. So I just went and piloted the holes, countersink them, and turning the screws into it, tying this whole cabinet up. There's no finish on this because I would like to hear if any of you has any recommendation on a killer finish to use on this. So now that this project is done, what do we build next? Let's talk about the sponsor of today's video. Alpha Graphics is a digital marketing firm specializing in social media marketing, graphic design, and website design. This company specializes in making your business look good, perform good, and looking at its optimal best. And today's world, referrals are extremely important. You need to know if a company is actually doing the work. Can they do what they say they will deliver? And with Alpha Graphics, they've got referrals everywhere, people. They've got from Cape Town up to Jozi, KZN, it doesn't matter. They can take your business and pinpoint your target market to anywhere that your heart desires. Look no further than Alpha Graphics. Go to their website, go to contact us, and go and fill in the form and click select. Someone will contact you immediately and get you on the right track for your business to grow to be a huge success. Alpha Graphics, your vision brought to life.